What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Kanye Show. I'm Khan, of course. So what we're gonna do today, we're gonna make a dessert out of pumpkin, So we're gonna make ourselves a pumpkin cheesecake. Keto low carb, of course, you know. Let's see. The crust. First, we're gonna do crust. We're gonna make crust out of pecan. You know what? I'm gonna do all this. Is about a cup and a half of pecans. Put it in here. Into our pecan pie crust, we're gonna do a teaspoon of cinnamon. Boom. Put in a little bit of nutmeg as well, like half a teaspoon. Some allspice, about half a teaspoon. I got some swerve brown sugar here. It's erythritol, natural sweetener. It's about 2 tablespoons or so. Okay, we're gonna blend this up. And now in here, we can put in our pecan crust pieces, and I have a 1/4 cup of melted butter here. We can pour it in here as well, and we'll mix this up like this. I have a feeling that this butter might be too much, so I'm gonna put some almond flour in here as well. So 1/4 cup of almond flour. Mix that up. And yes, perfect. There you go. That's the consistency we want. And the baking tin here, line it with parchment paper underneath, and we're gonna put this in. You can get a spoon or something, or you use your hand to spread this out. Use your hands, it's easier. Poke some holes in here. Now we're gonna bake this for about 10 minutes in 350 degrees Fahrenheit. There you go. So we have 1 can of pumpkin puree here. It's 100% pumpkin. No other ingredients but pumpkin. And 8 ounces of cream cheese here. Put our cream cheese, all of it inside of here. This is room temperature already for me, so it's easy to work with when it's room temperature. I just do 3/4 of a can, maybe half a can. That's good. Some monk fruit sweetener, 3 tablespoons of monk fruit sweetener, about half a teaspoon of liquid stevia here, a teaspoon of vanilla extract here. I want to add a little bit of banana extract. I kind of like that flavor. See how it goes in this one. About half a teaspoon. Some baking powder, a teaspoon, 2 eggs. Our crust is done. 2 large eggs here. Bam. And before I whisk, we're gonna check out our crust, okay? Ooh. Our crust is done there. Yeah, I think it's done. We're just gonna cook it some more when we put in a cheesecake filling in. Okay, using our hand blender here, we're gonna mix this up. You know what I forgot to put in? Forgot to put in our spices. So, put that in. 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. 1, 2. And a teaspoon of allspice. 1 teaspoon of nutmeg. And 1 teaspoon of ginger. Ground ginger. Just mix this a little bit before we mix with the blender so the powder doesn't get everywhere. Ooh yeah, it smells like pumpkin pie now. Okay, let's blend it up. I'm gonna spray the side of this with non-stick spray here. I got some avocado non-stick spray. Generously. And let's pour this right on in, right in the middle. Flame like that for a bit. 350 for 45 minutes in the oven. It goes. Bottom right. Okay, it's been about 45 minutes in the oven, so we're gonna do the old toothpick test and see if it comes out clean. And if it does, our pumpkin cheesecake is done. Okay, let's check it out. Okay, well, it passed the toothpick test. So, toothpick in, toothpick out, clean as a whistle. So we're gonna let this cheesecake cool down for about 15-30 minutes. And then after that, we're gonna throw it into our refrigerator there and let it cool overnight. So we're gonna try this out tomorrow when it's all nice and cold. Oh man, this is so delicious. Man, this is a good cheesecake. Pumpkin pie cheesecake, y'all. Until tomorrow. Alright, our pumpkin pie cheesecake has been in the refrigerator overnight. And yeah, man, this looks pretty bomb. Check that shit out. So, let's cut into it. We have a cup of milk here, or almond milk, rather. Cut a tiny piece out. That's a good piece. Ooh. There's our pumpkin cheesecake here. It looks like a pumpkin pie, but it's cheesecake. We'll sprinkle some cinnamon on top. Let's try out this bad boy. Cheers. Wow, it's really good. This is really good. Nice and sweet. With the spices is good. The pecan crust is fire. Got some whipped cream to top on here, would be really good too. Alright y'all, that's been Con Eats. This is my version of keto low carb pumpkin cheesecake. Try this recipe out, it's very, very good. If you like this video, please comment down below, hit the like button, share this video, and please do subscribe. And when you do all that, you'll be entered to win $20 gift card. When I reach 500 subscribers, I'm gonna pick 2 lucky people to each win $20 gift card. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Have a good one.